I'm going to go over another type of forge weld that I use on a bar shoe. First I'm going to bump the end so you're compressing material and making it thicker and slightly wider. Once I've bumped that, then I'm going to drag out the corner here. That's the flat side of the hammer. Just drag that out. Now I'm going to make the bend half of the shoe and walk towards the center. Walk towards the center. Flip it over. Push that shoe over the side. Bring that in more. Bring that in more. Flatten it out and heat up the other side. I'm going to the second branch. I'll put it out here on the clip horn. Bump the inside of that. Take to the outside. Start my bend. Finish it up here. Flatten it out and start bringing those together. And again, I want the side away from me to be on top. So they're overlapped and tight. At this point, I'm going to heat them up and use the cross peen to scarf it out. The fire going because I need to get some more heat in there. Before I scarf it, I'm going to run the brush over it. Get rid of some of the slag. Use a cross peen hammer. Anywhere where I'm going to have two surfaces meeting, I'll bring out a short, steep scarf. So I go from the full thickness, 1/4 inch, down to nothing just as fast as I can. At this point, I'll put it back in the fire, bring it up to a white heat before fluxing. I'm going to give it a brush and a brush. More flux is not better, just gently put a little flux in there. This keeps it from oxidizing. There we go, back in the fire. To a hot spot, both sides evenly heated. I'm looking for a white spot in the fire, that's where I want to put it. Maximum heat with the door shut, so I'll keep that shut while it's heating up. And I'm just massaging right on the very edge. It's the same color, I've got success. It turns the same color, I've got success. Once it's crusty, right there, stop. Brush it. Flux it. And put it back in. Using the flat side of the hammer, I'll flatten that up. I'll go immediately to the horn, work this edge, flatten it up again, and I can push that tab into the shoe. Push that tab into the shoe. And we're going to make an egg bar out of this. I'll flip it over, go to the other side, bring that down. I still have quite a bit of thickness there. I'll get that to a uniform thickness. Bring out the egg section of that shoe. I'll give it one more heat to clean that up and we'll be set to punch holes. That flux is only good for about 45 seconds in that fire. Then once it's crusty like that, it's no longer working. No need to hit it anymore, but I can still do some forging. I'll draw out a tab right there. Blank for a bar shoe. It's giving me some material in the back part of the shoe. There's a lot of ways to put together two pieces of metal. You take some of the information you've gained today and use it with other information you have to form your own method of making a bar shoe. It's a lot of fun to be able to do that, and it can be a great benefit to a horse.